to make you feel something by Rainbow Ravo. Namaste everyone. I am Disha Purohit. This is the 4th Autumn Rasal Kalanvaran, the art exhibition at the Oasis. We, the students of the Oasis, have kept ourselves busy letting our imagination and inspiration create fine pieces of artwork. The entire gallery has been decorated with some extremely fine and spectacular work of artwork by the students of classes 1 to 11. The paintings comprise of not just colors and symmetry, but also represent the ideas, sharp minds and creative style of each student. I hope all of you will enjoy this collection of creative works.
The artist is not a different kind of person, but every person is a different kind of artist. By Eric Gill. Namaste. I am sure that our art exhibition will draw your attention and interest. We have a display of different genres of art styles and mediums. Some of them are still life, landscapes, watercolors, acrylic colors, botanical art, abstract art and portraits. It is an honor to share with you the creations and enlighten you with their artwork. Thank you.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे काम रूपिणी विद्यारंभम करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे sada. Meaning, O Devi, when I begin my work, bestow upon me the capacity of right understanding always. So let's begin today's program with lighting of the lamp by the chairman, the director and head of school, followed by the shlok recitation. I would request everyone to participate with a prayerful mind as we all join in prayer.
चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत श्रोत्राङ्गायुश्च प्राणश्च मुखादग्निरजायत दीपज्योति परं ब्रह्मा ज्योतिर्जनार्दना दीपहरतु मे पापम् दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते
Thank you everyone for participating in the lighting of the lamp. Now it's time to honor and recognize the outstanding efforts put in by the students in the year gone by. I would like to request our school director and head of school to announce the awards received by various students in different spheres of academic and co-curricular activities.
Namaste. Thank you, Mayuri. A fire in the belly, generosity in our heart, a smile on the face, and simplicity in our soul is the best mantra to start a day. Thank you, students, for the soothing shloka. That was very divinely expressed. Today, the 4th annual day for the Oasis, our Founders' Day, it brings us pride to experience the school grow into one finest center of repute, which strives to provide the best learning opportunities both for teachers as well as students. This beautiful and refreshing campus fosters trust and shared accountability that supports innovation. The Oasis is a positive, vibrant and inspiring environment where students are valued and encouraged to succeed in becoming lifelong learners. Thank you, teachers, for shaping this. I stand here today with a list of students' awards for the year gone by. The task of nominating for awards is not an easy one. Many students come close to be deserving. However, the school is able to select from those who are passionate, have remained consistent and diligent, those who have toiled not for the award but for the joy of learning. The ICSE Achievers and Toppers, Stuti Bhandari with a 96.2%, Ridhima Sharma with a 92.6%, and Arani Mehta with a 91.8%. The award for academic excellence, the primary, goes to Sadhna Kunjum Pidukal and Harshada Singh. In the lower secondary, the award goes to Saksham Rawat and Yashasvi Khandwal. In the senior section, it goes to Anshulika Gupta. Award for School Community Service goes to Shivi Juyal of class 10, Ridhima Sharma of class 11, Jigyasa Kukreti of class 8 and Vanshika Rawat of class 9. The award for all-round performance, Veer Sandhu of class 2 in the primary and Arani Mehta of class 11. Award for confidence and clarity at public speaking, Ridhima Sharma class 11 and Tarana Kapoor class 10. Literary award goes to Shivi Joyal. Excellence in visual art, Nandini Singh class 7, Ayushi Tripathi class 7, Yashasvi Khandwal class 9, Aural Rathore class 6, Arani Mehta class 11, Atharv Singh Rajput class 4, Kimaya Hurla class 2 and Rayana Mundra class 2. Excellence in dance goes to Shreya Saklani. Excellence in yoga goes to Samara Punsog, class 5 and Anindita Singh, class 3. The most promising student for the year goes to Gauri Joyal. Award for 100% attendance in 2019-2020, class 4, Mohammad Maz Khan, Agriham Parswan, Arvi Pal, Suhan Khanna, Arav Takkar and Adarsh Nautiyal. Class 5, Vanika Gupta, Adhiraj Khandwal, Aditya Kanduri and Charvi Kunal. Class 6, Anya Soni, Jigyasa Kukreti, Jishnu Rana and Yashvardhan Gaur. For 100% attendance in 2021 goes to Jania Kaur Arora. Now I would like to invite the chairman, Mr. Rakesh Oberoi, and our director, Mr. Raghav Oberoi, to give away the house cups. So the house cup for Ankuram goes to Starling House. The house cup Satwa goes to Devik House.